If you're like me and you want to quickly organize your cables without putting not much effort, if you're lazy like me really, I found this product on Amazon called the Cable Canal Cable Organizer, and it's amazing. It's super quick, easy to install, and easy to have your desk looking way better. It's not the best method, but it is the cheap and quick and easy way to have your cable organization. I went with the flat to the table system, so it's more towards the center, but it's pointing outwards, so everything is contained within the desk. I have a standing desk, so that's very important that everything stays within the desk so it doesn't bump against the wall or against anything else when I'm moving it up and down. It comes with those screws and a bunch of Velcro strips. The screws are kind of long, so you might have to replace those with other screws, so keep that in mind. There are 6 screws per cable basket, I like to call them, and as you can see, it's really functions like a basket, so you can just grab your cable, put them in there, grab your power strips, put them in there, and this is pretty much the result that you get. I'll put a link in the description to this product or a similar one, so check it out.